Hey, hi guys. In this session, we will cover these two interview questions. The first one is what is the synchronization problem in automation? And another one is what are the different types of weight available in Selenium WebDriver? Let's start with first one. What is synchronization problem in automation? So let me explain you with the example. So we can assume you have written these many lines of script to automate this application. This is the application and this is the automation script which you have written to automate this application, right? So when you try to execute this script, then execution will be faster than application page load response. It means there is no balance between automation script and application. Most of the time, automation script execution is faster than application response, application page load response. So that's the reason script will get failed because the element will not be available by the time because your script will be executing faster than application and by the time your web element will not be available, it will not be loaded the page, right? So this is the problem that is called synchronization problem. So how to solve this synchronization problem? We have implicit wait. Implicit wait. Answer is implicit wait. So what is implicit wait? I will explain you. We will see this implicit wait. Before that, we can see the second question. What are the different types of waits available in Selenium WebDriver? So there are mainly three types of weights available in Selenium WebDriver. The first one is implicit weight. Second, we have explicit weight. And the third one is fluent weight. So we have these three weights available under Selenium WebDriver. Today we will cover this implicit weight. So what is implicit weight? Implicit weight is applicable to all the find element and find elements in the test script. Let me show you. Suppose that this is the application, this is the script which we have written, right? So wherever you have used find element and find elements, it will applicable to all find element and find elements wherever you have used in your framework, in your script, we can say, right? So it will be applicable to all the all the find and find elements, right? So whatever the weight you will put in implicit weight, it will be applicable to all the web elements. We can say all the find element and find elements. This is the syntax of implicit weight driver.manage timeouts implicitly weight and duration of second, and whatever the time period you want to wait, you can put here. So let me use this in the script. So suppose this is a script which we have written in the previous session. Here only we can put some. So first of all, what we do, I have created one class here and main method we have used. Here we are launching the Chrome browser and then we are maximizing the window. And after that, we are launching the application. So after launching the application, we will have to use this implicit weight. How can we use? Driver dot timeout driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait and then duration dot. Here we have many methods available under this duration class. So you can use these methods of day, of hours, of millis, of minutes, right? Of nanos, of seconds. So these are the methods which are available, and uh, you can use these methods. So I am going to use for second of second, right? So I want to wait for 20 seconds, right? You can put the time as per your requirement. You can put 10, 5 second, 10 second, 20 second, right? So whatever the time period you will put here, it will wait for that particular time for every find element and find elements. Whatever the find element and find elements you have used within the script, it will wait for, it will applicable for all of them, right? So it resolve our synchronization problem because it is giving some time to load the application. So this implicit wait is solving our synchronization problem. Let me create a separate class for this implicit wait. Implicit wait. Create a main method and I will copy. See, I have created a class with the name of this implicit wait, and then I am launching a browser here and maximizing the window, launching the application, and after launching the application, we will have to use this wait, implicit wait. I will put here in the comment, implicit wait. So this implicit wait we can use after launching the application so that it can wait for that particular time for each and every find element and find elements. So now we can use here driver dot find element by dot xpath, or we can inspect it. So we have name available, that is Q. We can use here name. I will store in one reference variable. A reference variable, we can take it as a search box, and return type will be web element. And now we can import it. Now I will search something. So we can search it by using this reference variable. Send. I want to search Selenium in text box. And after that, after entering this text into the text box, I want to click enter button. So how can we click enter button? Dot, we can use send keys, and here we can use keys dot enter. Where we have enter, we can search here enter. Okay. So not only for this element, whatever the web element, whatever the find element and find elements you are going to use within the script, it will, this implicit wait will work for all of them, right? It will wait for this particular given time to each and every find and find elements which you have been written under the class, right? Or within the framework, right? Wherever you are utilizing, right? Wherever you have written find element and find elements, it is gonna wait for all of the web element, right? So this is how it is solving our synchronization problem. So this is the implicit wait. If you want, we can run it. Right? And if you want to click on this Selenium link, then you can click on it as well through automation. So let me inspect this Selenium. You can use directly this Selenium text. So for using the Selenium text, you can use like text is equal to right. So we can use the first one. So again here we can write here driver dot find element by dot xpath, and then we can put that xpath and click on that link. Let's run it. So again, after clicking on, right, before clicking on this link, right, again, before clicking on this link, it will wait for 20 seconds, right? So it will wait for each and every element, right? It will search and click on this Selenium link as well. It has clicked, right? So it is waiting for that particular time for both find elements. Find element. So it doesn't matter how many times you are going to use find element and find element, it is gonna wait for all of them, right? So this is a implicit wait. So we have seen implicit wait, types of waits available under Selenium WebDriver, and we have seen the synchronization problem. And the solution of the synchronization problem is implicit wait. And in the upcoming sessions, we will see explicit wait and fluent wait. Thank you guys for watching this video.